In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a contract on Pandadoc. We'll walk through the process from a blank document all the way to sending a completed contract for signature so you can follow along on your own screen as I talk. First, start inside your Pandadoc dashboard. To create a new contract, look for the option to create something new, usually labeled New Document. Click that, and then choose Select File. This is where you can upload an existing contract template you already have, like a PDF or Word document. If you prefer, you can also start from a blank document or one of your saved templates, but in this example, we'll assume you're bringing in a contract file you've prepared. Once your document has loaded, the next step is to add your recipients. These are the people who need to sign or review the contract. Look for the recipient section, typically at the top or on the side of the screen, and add each person by entering their name and email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling here because any mistake in the email will prevent them from receiving the contract. Now you'll start building out the content of the contract itself. On the right-hand side, you should see a panel with different content blocks. Find the text block, then click and drag it into the document where you want your contract terms to appear. Once it's in place, click inside the text block and type or paste your contract language. You can format this text, adjust headings, and break things into sections so it's clear and professional. After your text is in place, you need to add the fields that your recipients will interact with. In the same panel on the right, look for the signature field and drag it to the exact spot where you want someone to sign. Do the same with the date field so your signer can confirm the signing date. If there are multiple signers, add a signature and date field for each one in the appropriate locations. Next, you need to tell Pandadoc who is responsible for each field. Click on a signature or date field, and you'll see a small drop-down where you can assign it to a specific recipient. Choose the correct person for every field you've added. This step is important because it ensures the right people are prompted to sign in the right places. When everything looks good, you're ready to send the contract. Click Review and Send to do a quick final check. Pandadoc will usually show you a preview, so scroll through and confirm the text, recipients, and fields are correct. When you're satisfied, click Continue and then select Send Document. Your contract will be emailed out, and you'll be able to track its status from your Pandadoc dashboard.